We are pleased to show you the 2015 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.